Everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 5 Area and Volume that was asked in SE 2080 at Lumbini Province, and the question says that the solid object shown in the picture is made up of cuboid and pyramid with a square base. So we have cuboid and pyramid with a square base. Okay, so the cuboid have a square base where the length of the base side is 12 centimeter, height of cuboid is 9 centimeter, and slant height of the pyramid is 10 centimeter. So here this is 12 centimeter and this two will be 12 centimeters. The height of cuboid is 9 centimeter and the slant height of pyramid is 10 centimeter. Okay, fine. In A, how do you find the vertical height of square based pyramid when slant height and height of length of the base are given? So we will use Pythagoras theorem to find the height h, vertical height h. In B, find the volume of the pyramid. So the formula to find the volume of pyramid is half area of base time vertical height. So we will need vertical height. So we will first calculate vertical height and then calculate the volume of the pyramid. And in C, how much is the volume of pyramid, less or more than the volume of the cuboid? So we will already find the volume of pyramid in question number B. In C, we will find the volume of cuboid and then we will compare it, which one is greater, which one is less. Okay, so that will be our agenda today, and without any delay, let's start the solution of this problem. So solution. We will write what is given to us. Given, what is given? Length of base side of cuboid, length of base side of square based cuboid, that is L, is equals to how much? 12 centimeter. Height of cuboid which is we will write it as HC is equals to 9 centimeter, and then slant height of pyramid, slant height of pyramid. There is no slant height of cuboid, so we will just write SH, and that will mean slant height of pyramid, which is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we will just draw a figure as you must do in examination. You must draw the figure. Okay, drawing figure will make you solve the question easy. Make it easier to solve the question, and then making figure is compulsory as well, in my opinion, in my personal opinion. Okay, so here is the upper point. Let's draw to this point. If it was copy, then I would have done the perfect figure. However, it is not the copy, and so my line gets bad. So this is 12 centimeter, this is also 12 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter, and the slant height is 10 centimeter. Okay, now moving on to A. How do you find the vertical height of the square based pyramid when slant height and length of base are given? When the slant height and length of the base are given, we will use Pythagoras G-O-R-O-U-S, Pythagoras theorem to find the vertical height. And we will also write the theorem or equation here so that it is easier for us to calculate height in the question number B, because we require that in question number B. So here I will just draw a figure. So this will be right angle triangle. So this is right angle triangle, and this will be L upon 2. This will be slant height, and this will be vertical height. Yes, I think the vertical height is just tilted a little bit. You draw it vertical on exam. Okay, so where H is the vertical height, and H is equals to root under H square minus L upon 2 square. Okay, now this is about solution of A. Now moving on to question number B. Find the volume of the pyramid. The volume of the pyramid is equals to 1 upon 3 times area of base times vertical height. Which is equals to 1 upon 3, and as the base is square base, so we will write L square and vertical height is H. However, we don't have H in this H here, so we will first find the H using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, H is equals to root under H square minus L upon 2 square is equals to root under, what is SH? Slant height is 10, so 10 square minus L is 12, so 12 upon 2 square is equals to root under 10 square is 100 minus 6 square is equals to root under 100 minus 36, which is equals to root 64, which is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, so now using value of vertical height, let me just save this so that we can write it smoothly. Okay, let's save that. Don't get hang. I'm still recording the video. Please do it fast, boss. Hey boss, do it fast. Looks like it will take time. Please, yeah. Okay. What happened to you? You are being clumsy. Okay. So now using value of vertical height, volume is equals to 1 upon 3. We have L is equals to 12, so 12 square times H is equals to 8. So this will give us volume of how much? Let me just calculate it. (300 centimeter cube). So this is the volume of pyramid. So the volume of pyramid is 384 centimeter square. Okay, now let's move on to question number C. In C, we are asked to compare the volume of pyramid with volume of cuboid. So we will first find the volume of cuboid. Here, volume of cuboid is equals to L into L into S, and that is equals to 12 times 12 times 9, which is equals to 1296 centimeter cube. Here, volume of cuboid is more than volume of pyramid by 1296 centimeter cube minus 384 centimeter cube, which is equals to 912 centimeter cube. So the volume of the pyramid is less than volume of cuboid by 912 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is about the solution of this question, and as you can see, I have write volume of pyramid first in the final answer because here the volume of pyramid is written first. Okay, so I'm just writing it based on the language of the question asked to write the answer. So this is about the solution. If you have any question, please feel free to comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.